Melon Kick Corn Puffs. This is actually the second kind of artificial and natural flavored corn puffs I've tasted. The first kind was banana snacks. I have a video of it. I'm gonna post it later. Ooh, it smells like sour apple candy. Here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. It smells like sour apple candy. Hopefully it's as sweet as it smells. Has the same texture as the banana corn puffs I tried once. Oh. Okay, definitely does not taste as good as it smells. But I did like the smell. It reminded me of sour apple Jolly Ranchers. I've never really had cantaloupe or melon. Have either of you tried it? Let me know in the comments, what does it taste like? I might taste that next.